Hey everybody, exciting moment here. Of course, it's about a week after the holidays, 2 weeks after Christmas. Um, got a Christmas present that I was really excited and wanted to share with you guys. This is something I've wanted for a while. Um, just didn't get it right, and people are always looking for gifts to get me. Um, but being that I love all things business, my family gets me, right? So I got this, the workshop tactics, right? Um, this is just one kit of a dozen that the producer has, and this is called Pip Decks. Um, there's some for meetings, there's some for storytelling, there's some for workshops. The whole idea behind Pip Decks is to create that environment that's just not a boring meeting, right, or not a boring story. It's really cool, right? So take off the top. You got a meeting coming up. You're not sure what to talk about, but you're the leader, right? You grab the first one. Let's talk about sailboat, right? Find out what your goals really are and the reasons behind them and what's stopping you from achieving them. So you and your team can talk about this one right here, right? Within those goals, you're bound to find some KPIs that you really need to get into. And on the back of each card is the step by step situation that you need to work on to get this card to work. Finally, the blind vote, the barriers to understand what the most important problem is to solve. So, although you might have 10 people on your team, by the time you get done doing this exercise, you'll have one or two major barriers that you need to solve for. But that's not the biggest thing about this deck. The biggest thing about this deck is look how many meetings I'm ready for now. I don't have to think about anything. I don't have to write anything up. I got it right here. Just wait for what's next in the future. All right. So that's just a fun one. I wanted to share with everybody. These are going to be awesome, awesome cards, and I want to thank the guys at Pip Deck for creating these. All right. Have a good day, guys.